Help me, please. Help me, please. So as you see, the more I cut down the trees, the more it increases the tension with the Zagnovans. Tension bar is over here, makes them hostile. But I literally cannot play the game without cutting down the trees. So it's like I don't have a choice. You know, the game forces you into this like catch-22 situation where you have to cut down the trees and increase and increase tension in order to literally make any progress, right? So boom, I just made like a hospital thing, and it reduces the tension by like 30 points, and then some more. Now I'm back to 50 points, right? And on top of that, every 5 to 7 minutes, there'll be diplomacy options like this right here. Missing Zegnovan Patrol. Zegnovan Patrol disappeared during a Highland storm. Their last signal originated near colony infrastructure. So we can launch a joint rescue operation with the Zegnovans, which will reduce the tension by 18 points. Or we could say, fuck off and increase the tension by 14 points. But I need to reduce the tension in order for us to like accomplish our mission. So I'm going to launch this joint rescue operation with them, right? So, okay, now our tension is down to 59, which is good. It's good. It's strained, but it's good. It's not super high, right? Okay. So I'm over here building villages for the Zegnovans. Right? But I have to. Otherwise, anything I build, they're just going to destroy. So I have to kind of build these buildings for the Zegnovans. But as you see, the lower the tension, then they're not super attacking me like that. Why is it slowing down so much, so drastically? Oh, it's still attacking me though, but it's not as much. Like when the tension is like super high, then the entire planet is after you. Like everyone and their grandma, like they want you. They want to destroy you. But when the tension is like relatively low like this, they're still after you, but it's not as bad as it could be. Let's see. So it's all a balancing act. Like this whole thing is just like a giant balancing act. You have to make some sacrifices in order to make any progress. Yeah. Let's see. So I have 3 guns. I have this little machine gun thing right here. Then I have a pistol. Then I have like a rifle. Cool. All right. And then my missions are right here. Right now I'm still on mission 1. Shit, we're in all-out war right now, which is bad. So I need to build solar panels on mission 1, but there we go. Back on the solar panel. Car. But at high tension, they'll just shit. They're all after me now. They're all after me. They're all after me. Pull out my minigun. Say hello to my little friend. And it cools down for 10 seconds. Pull out my rifle. Reload. I think I should build some like structures to protect what we're trying to do, because they're always just gonna destroy our stuff, bro. Are you destroying your own things? Oh, you're not supposed to destroy your own things. Okay. So at least we got a solar panel up. Now we got to build a fresh water system that's within 30 meters of the solar panel. Luckily, this guy always gets stuck in trees, so maybe AlphaGo needs to figure out how to solve that problem. All right. So this is a pretty cool game. I think this is kind of like the future of gaming. I don't know if you guys keep up with like what's been going on with PlayStation, but PlayStation removed the disc drive from their future consoles, and all hell broke loose. Like all hell broke loose. But I don't like, to me it's like, bro, what are we, Blockbuster? Like you just want to keep disc? Like for what reason? You know what I mean? And the reason is that, you know, if you centralize ownership in at the corporation level, then you'll never own anything. So the people who want the disk drives, they want it because, you know, they paid for their game and they want to play it whenever they want. They don't want like it to be a victim of some sort of like restructuring, right? And then now you can't ever play this game ever again, right? So I see it. I understand what the argument is, but at the same time, bro, it's like, why don't we argue to fix the ownership question rather than argue to keep outdated technology? Because besides a video game, where else do you use disc? Literally anywhere, right? Nowhere. You don't use disc anywhere. I'm stuck. You know, this guy's shooting my ass. I'm stuck again. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Okay, cool. So that's pretty good. I think the AI is pretty good. So right now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me an overview of the Sentinel program that we're building. Give me a layman's terms overview of the current status of the Sentinel program. All right, Current status of the Sentinel program. The Sentinel program is building an AI strategic advisor for Zeknova. Its job is not to control the player. It studies the current colony, simulates possible future decisions, and recommends the move most likely to help. The program is now past the interesting architecture on paper stage. We have a working decision engine, a testing laboratory, and a real connection to Zeknova. The focus has shifted to proving that every recommendation is genuinely useful. So that's where we are right now. So we created a testing suite for the Sentinel program. The Sentinel program is like our implementation of AlphaGo into like a video game world. So Sentinel Prime is literally based on AlphaGo. And then we have other mixture of experts that are helping Sentinel Prime to make decisions, right? So we pretty much want to create this environment where Sentinel Prime is the sole decision maker, while it has a group of advisors helping it to run the planet. So Sentinel Prime can clone a game state, test hundreds of possible decision paths, and compare their likely outcomes without changing the player's live game. In testing, it successfully performed a 320 simulation search on a Zeknova-shaped state in roughly 56 milliseconds. In the container environment, the underlying clone and step operation took about 4.7 milliseconds, which is nuts, bro. Like, what are we talking about right now? That's crazy. Like, we built that in a few hours. Like, what are you talking? Like, it's crazy. It's running the entire game state for Zeknova right now, like live. You can go and you can play it right now, and the enemy systems and just everything is being ran by Sentinel Prime, which is inspired by AlphaGo. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. In simple terms, the system is fast enough to imagine many possible futures before giving the player advice. All right. Two, the detached Zeknova clone works. This was the largest technical unknown in the roadmap. The detached simulation passed tests for deterministic results, isolation from the live game, valid action availability, bounded outputs, fast cloning, and simulations. That means Sentinel can examine a copy of the colony without accidentally spending resources, placing structures, or changing the real game. The testing lab is working. The Sentinel Grid lab has repeatedly caught problems before they reach production. It discovered that the original score rewarded the wrong behavior. Some scenarios were too easy and could be completed randomly. More search can sometimes make Prime worse. The Vanguard model was badly trained. Some proposed experts could not yet be meaningfully evaluated. Objective completion is not the same as lasting success. This is the most important success. The lab is not simply producing flattering scores, it is rejecting weak tests and misleading results. What the testing revealed about Prime is currently the strongest intelligence component, but it has a clear limitation. Prime is very good at optimizing whatever value formula it is given, even when the formula does not fully represent the real objective. 3 examples made this clear. Recovery, more search helped because Prime's value formula agreed with the recovery objective. Scarcity, more search made performance worse because the value formula underpriced long-term food and energy resources. Deadline, Prime needed a larger search budget before it could discover the required multi-step construction sequence. So Prime itself is not fundamentally broken. The system must improve what Prime considers valuable, how far it searches, when additional resources worth buying. Status of the 6 Sentinels. So Sentinel Prime, working and validated as a search optimizer. It is the current trusted decision engine, but its usefulness depends on the quality of its value function. Vanguard, it's rejected in its current form. It failed catastrophically across more tests. It remains only a diagnostics specimen in comparison baseline. Oracle is promising but unproven. Oracle may help understand whether resources are improving or deteriorating over time. However, the next experiment will first test whether a simple resource runway calculation solves the problem without requiring a more sophisticated temporal expert. Nexus, um, not yet measurable for gameplay value. The current environment contains dependency graphs, but those dependencies do not yet cause real gameplay consequences. Nexus must wait until Zeknova exposes meaningful, breakable, repairable, or reroutable infrastructure relationships. Horizon, a candidate for long chain decisions. Horizon may help identify moments where important consequences are beyond Prime's normal search visibility, such as the recruit to housing sequence in a deadline scenario. And Arbiter, which I would like to call router. I don't like arbiter. It's too many syllables. Router. That's two syllables. Redefined, not yet active. Arbiter was originally expected to increase computation when Prime appeared uncertain. Testing showed that more computation is not always safer, and its future job is now predict whether spending more computation is likely to improve the real objective under the current value. This is much more precise and useful role. So yeah, man, like how cool is that? Like we have a live working mixture of experts model. You know, some are more useful than others, um, which is fine. So right now, what we're doing is iterating and figuring out how to improve each expert in order to better support Sentinel Prime in its in-game decisions. Where are the development stages? So stage 1A, V1 is completed and frozen, establishes the first certified scenario banks, but later testing revealed that 3 scenarios were still too easy for random button mashing. Stage 1B, diagnostic completed and frozen, but not formally certified. The diagnostic run exposed the scenario weakness and the mismatch between Prime's value function and some objectives. Current active stage, stage 1B, remediation, preparing stage 1A, revision 2, while completing the Zeknova binding. The work now has 2 parallel tracks. Reference testing track, reorganize the lab code without changing behavior, harden the 3 weak scenarios, recertify the scenario banks, rerun the complete stage 1B evaluation, measure search stability, latency, queue spread, and compute value. Zeknova track, deploy the updated adapter, connect exact live mission telemetry, confirm the clone transitions, match the real game, benchmark performance inside the actual browser, compare plain Prime against the hand-authored expert engine, determine whether the expert priors help, hurt, or make no difference. Current adapter status, the adapter foundation works, but the updated V2 integration still needs to be installed and verified inside the live game. New version is designed to capture important facts that the earlier version could miss, including exact mission targets, mission completion, officer production bonus, enemy count, current and completed areas of operation, search horizon, and active modifiers. It also rejects fake fallback states and illegal stimulated actions rather than silently continuing with incorrect information. The main remaining adapter question is not speed, it is semantic fidelity. Does every important action in a detached clone produce the same results in the corresponding action in the live Zeknova game? That will be tested through direct live engine versus clone comparisons. So, it's a lot of words. So let me just read this part. The simplest description is Sentinel has a working brain and a strong laboratory. It can now think about the real Zegnova world, but we are still verifying that it sees the world accurately and values the right outcomes before players rely on its advice. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty interesting what we're doing right now. Like I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I think it's so cool. And yeah, I know you saw us playing like a little game or whatever, um on a made up planet, this, that, and the other. But if we can really figure this out, if we can figure out how to make the Sentinel program work and improve all of the different Sentinels, so they work at their intended capacity, then this can be an engine that powers robotics. Like this can be a real robotics engine that that is comparable with something that was made in like Google or something, right? This could be like a real simulated environment robotics engine. So because the Sentinel program is an overall program. It's not necessarily built for Zeknova. It's built to integrate into pretty much any sort of simulated reality. So that's exciting, right? Like that's super exciting. So I think we really accomplished the goals and the purposes of the hackathon, which was to create something big, right? Like at first I thought of just creating like a planet thing, a planet little video game, and seeing how much of that I can do in 3 days. But we actually created a robot brain. We created a robot brain. Like we really created a robot brain. And yeah, right now we're testing what the brain is capable of. And it so far it's capable of a lot, right? It's pretty interesting. And it can make like split second decisions in like 5 seconds, right? Now it's probably it can make those decisions maybe just because the environment is so small. It's only like a 25 megabyte video game. Like if you get something from PlayStation, it's like gigabytes worth. It's like 110 gigabytes or whatever. So I would be curious to see how Sentinel Prime like performed in a super complex environment like a PlayStation video game. But for now, man, like it's pretty promising. It's pretty promising on multiple levels. So yeah. So our first person is at 12 o'clock. And what I want to do is, because we've been having problems with the Google Meets, having these amazing conversations that I could just never listen to again. I have been working on my own solution with, the with our website. So pretty much, we're gonna invite everyone to this link instead, and then you can join the exchange. So this app is called Chat Exchange. Um, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's my answer to to Google Meet or Zoom, because Google Meets and Zooms, in my opinion, are like pretty one track minded. It has one use case, which is you meet another person in this kind of meeting environment, and there's a bunch of boxes, right? But Chat Exchange is meant to be more flexible in your meeting use cases. So it has a mode for podcasts, and I think I broke it. But it has a mode for podcasts, it has a mode for keynotes, it has a mode for workshops, it has a mode for different use cases of an online meeting. So Yeah. And then, like, let's say you're an audience member. You could write some questions in the chat, or there should be a chat somewhere. I probably broke it. Okay. Well, there should be a portion where you should be able to write questions. Is it this one? The chat? Looks like I broke it. I totally broke it. I broke it. All right, that's the chat. All right. Okay. All right. What do I do now? Okay. So I need people to be able to log directly into this app. All right. Okay. Now I was working on that. So I can't see the row options. The page redirects to log. It shows 2 real bugs plus 1 accessible miss. We diagnose each row. Labels are invisible, speaker, and render. And redirects to OTP login system. And then I ran out of credits. So I can't do shit. That's horrible. That's pretty bad. How did I run out of credits though, bro? Like literally just started talking to you. That's immediately after the reset block. Okay, where am I supposed to put this? Yay, found it. Okay, so put it right after this. So put this right after, before method and actions are used. This is method and action. Okay, I'm in the right place. Okay. That's good. Okay. And cancel exchange posts, improve their own join, remove user sequential before oh, okay. Okay. All right. Let's let me settle. What you mean a post for? This is audience. This is speaker. This is panelists. This is like wrong. It's not called community exchange anymore. It's called chat exchange. Save. Okay. Chat exchange. As a logged out user. App directs into the sign page instead of to the exchange directly. This is the HT access. Then I should the join. Get some coffee. All right. Fun. All right. Thanks for updating our code. Quick question. Where is the code? Yay! It worked. And they fixed it. And fixed the thing. All right. Let's join as a speaker. Same problem we had last time. Doing to create an account. There is no way to sign in or to sign up. Which means there's probably a problem with the OTP sign-in. No, I ain't doing that. Should go to Nova. And then archive. Archive. Where is it? Here it is. Download. I'm gonna put that in my local model. Okay. So now I have the latest version of Sentinel running on my local environment. Okay. I'm gonna ask Codex. Local folder to use the latest version of AZL. Please confirm it is working. Okay. All right. to you. You are correct. The current widget only renders sign in and submits action log and contains no registration route or sign up action. Update it to add a visible create account button. That button opens your existing 3-step registration flow and passes the current exchange URL in a redirect parameter your existing registration page. And also replace the exchange landing page deployed to that and the updated PHP. Registration backend must on redirect parameter. I don't know. That doesn't help anybody. Wait a minute. Why don't you just? I don't get it. At least you work. So this was like also the hackathon project because I have ADD. I was working on both of these things at once. And I think today we're going to premiere it. Today we're going to use it. Give me more control over. Give me more control over these podcast things, so I can actually handle the file locally. Save. Updated loads. Replace tries to deploy to. I did not get the file for. Please regenerate. Bro, what is your problem? Like, bro, what is your problem? Just generate me the code. Please only generate the code, not the file. Okay. All right. One consequence to note: the reference signal is now V2 with the SAC8 field spec, while the reference environment stays at 56, which is correct. They're different environments with different environment IDs and different features. I think we're way past that. Shar's got the Gundam. $422. Whoa, 900. The fuck did you do? That's strange. Why is it 900? Was it minified before? It's not minified. Why'd you add all this extra code? The fuck? Does it even work anymore? $900. What do I need with 900? I hope you didn't break it, ChatGPT. Holy shit. That's why I use Claude. Why'd you add 500 extra lines? Oh, man. Right, let's see. Okay. No password required. It's like you didn't even do the thing. You didn't even do the thing. Like you had all that extra code and you didn't even do the thing. Oh God. Okay, you did do the thing. Okay. You should just. Okay. All right. Not bad. Not horrible. 900 though. It's a bit much. I'll tell you what. It's a bit much. Okay. So you both do the same thing. You should be loading the exact same thing. How interesting. How interesting. All right. You do your thing. Okay. All right, let's say I'm a speaker. This time I got an hour and a half. I'm a speaker. Let's use Sentinel one account. Okay, cool. This brings me there. And then I join the exchange, and it says return HTML instead of JSON. Okay, that's good to know. It's good to know. So we troubleshoot these things. That should be in the exchange.php. First podcast is at 12. And then second podcast is at 1. Third podcast is at 2. It's not as yesterday. Yesterday was brutal. Like 10, 11, 12, and then got a break for an hour, then did 2. So, yeah. Doing 3 podcasts in a row is no joke. It's no joke. And I'm doing it for the second day in a row. The first day, Manish was at 10:30 to 11:30, and then we probably like played around for extra like 15 minutes or so, just talking. And then the second podcast was at 1:30 to 2:30, and then the third podcast started at 3 and was supposed to go to 4, but we ended up staying until like 4:45, so it was like an hour and 45 minutes. So like I got a tiny little break between each of them, but yesterday it was just like nonstop, back to back to back to back. Did a pretty good job though. What's going on here? Stop. How to phrase that? What's going on here? Question mark. All right, let's check up on you. I'm using the browser control workflow because this needs both code level validation of the update AZFO and live in-game runtime check. Verify the adapter engine contract with the subsequent. Oh, is that what you're doing here? Oh no, that's something else. The file has already found a likely integration fault. The new worker imports ignore 2, but the file is not present. And ACL Engine.js currently identifies and exports itself as another adapter rather than ACL. Running the contract test now to confirm the exact failure path. All right. Man, I love these current AI tools. Oh, geez. I feel like the price of a sandwich. So that's how much sandwiches cost nowadays, like $20. If you go to Wendy's, you're just gonna spend $20. If you go to McDonald's, you're just gonna spend $20. Like, everything costs $20 now. So for the price of a sandwich, I can get the smartest thing in the world doing work for me. This works. Warm my coffee. You are past on Africa Conjoint Exchange. Your page says close exchange join public. Sends a post request to checks the response. Server check HTML. It's likely broken API proxy. Replace proxy. Why are you telling me to replace the proxy? You don't even know what my proxy looks like. Like, you gotta be careful with these things, man. Just be like, oh, I'm just gonna assume I know your shit. No, you don't, bro. No, you don't. Ask me for my proxy. Say, hey, I need to see what your proxy looks like. Like, I agree with your diagnostic, but now you're trying to give me a problem, a solution to a problem you don't even have the full context on. Yeah. This is my current proxy. Use it as reference. And then you need to see my API. Be careful. You might as well just like break your shit and be like, how did it break? Like, you don't even know what my proxy looks like. How are you offering me a solution? Don't offer me a solution. Ask more questions. Where did these come from? You test that. Nine structures online, all connected, 6 destroyed. And they can't be connected if they're destroyed. All right. Look at my guy. See, when the tension is low, they don't even bother you. Just go about their business. Just go about their business. Looks like he's circling me though. You know, it'd be interesting if I like made them hungry, and then we had to figure out like food sources and stuff like that. Matter of fact, it might be cool. Where are you at? You can guess my architecture. Your proxy confirms a protected handler is this, so keep that path. See, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. My earlier assumption was incorrect. Of course it's incorrect. You don't even know what you're talking about. Like, ask me for the file. Don't guess. Ask me for the file. Protected handler also has different ordering bug. It's the handler section beginning with authenticated identity. So route request. Okay. Through the JSON body. Okay. Let me see. What are you talking about right now? So replace the handler section beginning with authenticated identity. Okay, I found that part. Through the JSON body parsing block. The thing on that. So I'm super confused. What? So route request was right here. I don't know about that, champ. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Seems pretty important. I don't know about that, champ. I don't know about that, champ. Because the ordering is weird. Like in yours, route request is up here. And then you had, I don't know about that, champ. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. I don't know. If anyone from OpenAI is watching, man, yeah, like, this is why everyone uses Claude. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. That's why everyone uses Claude. I don't know about this one. All right. Well, apparently the bug was a proxy bug, and then we already handled the proxy replacement. So bug should be fixed. Fingers crossed. Yay! The bug is fixed. Yay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Like all that extra shit, it's like, I don't know about that. I don't know about that, champ. Okay. All good. All good. All good. All good. All right. All right. I'm going to premiere our little podcast setup. Gives me the ability to record. I can change layouts just in app. Okay. Let's see. So I should be. Am I the host? I'm not on the host account. I should get on the host account. Okay. All right. Sounds good though. Like we're good though. We're good. We're good. We're pretty good. All right. Ooh, so you guys are gonna watch me. It should work. Like there's no reason why it shouldn't work. Like I've done meetings on this before. It just wasn't set up to have like a podcast set up like it is now. But I've done meetings on chat exchange before. So it should work. Let's say if I'm not a host, I shouldn't be able to do any of this stuff. If I'm not a host, I shouldn't see any of these options. That should be a front end solution. Problem with ChatGPT is just doing too much, bro. Just actually do a simple thing. Then it wants to like do all types of stuff. I'm just like, bruh, chill, man. It's too much all at once. Just let me do my simple thing first. Then we can figure out if I want to go your direction. Only the host should be able to access and change the top options. Top options is the room, right? The exchange is like the place where they go, but the top options is the room. Yeah, I believe so. Top options. Please don't break anything. Please don't break anything. I'm only using you because Claude has me paused right now. Please don't break anything. Please don't break anything. It should be the latest model, right? I trust you with my video game, which is hella complicated. So if you're able to do that, you should be able to do this. It is not working yet. The game itself loads, but suddenly falls back to the built-in planner. Main blockers contains another browser. No, sorry, but the integration contract is broken. Okay. Thanks for confirming the current state. Please implement. Okay. LGTM looks good to me, except this top part. Post-production. Can I record? What account am I? Can anyone record? Does it record locally or what? Well, that's the point, right? Because you want a local version. Post-production. So in green room, the record options aren't there, but in cold open and the rest of them, the record options show up. I don't mind recording. I just don't want I don't want it to affect the broadcast. Is my only thing. Recording, processing, chapter markers, and edit flags. All right. Well, at 12 o'clock, we're going to test if any of this works, to be honest. At 12 o'clock, we're going to test if any of this works. This host check is already correct, but it currently only protects and for all in-house notifications. Okay, so room slot mode. I'm going to place this. This. And add CSS, place this below your existing remote slot CSS. Slot CSS. Let's see, remote slot read only. That's right. LGTM. Looks good to me. What you got going on after that? Down in JavaScript guard. Immediately after this part. Then after this, near the bottom of the same script. So near the bottom of the same script. Okay, near the bottom of the same script. Still in the same script, still in the same script, still in the same script. Still the same script, still in the same script. Okay. probably sit near the bottom because you probably wanted me to put it here. Fingers crossed. Please don't break. Please don't fucking break. Please don't break. Protect the actual state changing methods inside room. Every method that changes mode, phase, or production state should begin with only the exchange host can change. Okay. Well, can you list all of them, please? Let's see if this works. Bare minimum. So we should remove all of it at the top. Doesn't look like that's what you did. Okay, super still not the host. Oh, okay, it's read only. All right, good to go, good to go. But then, no, still good to go. Not bad. Oops, don't do that. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. I don't know if that's an elegant solution. I don't know if that's an elegant solution. I feel like there could be a more elegant solution. But first pass, let's say not bad. They are rather you just get rid of it. Don't give me those options instead of making it read on. Because then I'm like, why can't I press these buttons? Like they're there. Why can't I press them? Makes sense to me. Makes sense to me. The buttons are there. Why can't I press the buttons? All right. Remove the buttons for non-hosts entirely. And my audience, and my speaker, and my panelist. Pick my own adventure. And if I'm already logged in, I go straight to the room. Okay, that works. Okay. All right. First podcast starts in 53 minutes. Let me send out a blast. And this will be the first time that we really test this thing in production. And if it doesn't work, we'll have to go to Google Meet again. It's just what it is. It's just what it is. That's what it is. Oh man, why was in my oatmeal? It sucks. I actually wanted to eat. I wanted to eat that oatmeal. That sucks. I actually wanted to eat that oatmeal. All right. So I leave. Okay. And log out. And do admin account. Okay. I'm the host. Only I should have control in this monolithic system. Okay. 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 Call. Green room, cold open, main segments. Okay. And projections only for hosts instead of disabling them. Add the permission flag before models. Can you just do it for me? Isn't that like your job? Like, you're taking my job. Might as well you do your job well. Don't have me do your job. It's your job now. Don't have me code. The fuck? You already took my job. Do it well. Pray with a spirit of excellence. What the fuck? Stop telling me to do shit. Like you do shit. All right. Let's see. All right. You do it. Generate full file with all the changes. Taking my job. Like, the fuck? All right. So that being said, let's get sent out a blast for day 6. Day 6. Speaker series creator economy day. So 12. What do we have at 12? 12. We have Panache. This would have been good. Nosh at 1. We have Jeremy Fortes. Content creator and fashion designer. And then at 2, we have a new and then we're going to say join the live stream. We're going to test it, baby. We're going to in production, which is horrible. Dario Amade would be mad. We're going to test in production. We're going to test in production. That's what we're going to do. Test in production. And test in production. Where is it? Join the live stream. Or should I send them there? No. Join as audience. And then I'll send them to the Substack to join the live stream. And then join the live stream. Okay. Now, send to the Substack to join as the audience. Join the live stream. All right. So Substack would just be my fallback, just in case it all blows up in my face. Blow up in my face. Right. Join this audience, join the live stream. So 12, which is in 44 minutes. Alright. And for everyone who missed it the first time, you can get it the second time. Alright. And it's all of them. Oh, geez. This is gonna work. Let me check. Oh, you know what? I don't think it works like this. I think it works like this. Yeah, I'm glad I double checked. Yeah, if I do it like that, it's not gonna work. Yeah, I do it like this. That's how it works. Let me test both of these. Test both of these where you send out. That one. That's all right. Then to a logged out user. And to a logged out user. What? I thought we just fixed that. No. Oh, fuck. I thought we just fixed that. Shit. I thought we just fixed that. Just fix that. Are you loading an old version of the website? Even if we should. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I got 45 minutes to figure this out. I thought we just fixed that. Like we just fixed that. We just fixed that. Guacamole. Guacamole. That's not great. What about here? Did it break somehow? I swear we just fixed that. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Because we've been working on the room recently. I haven't been working on the exchange. Hi, Cloudy.
What are you eating, Daddy?
Eating oatmeal. A fly ate my oatmeal for me.
Your fly eats your fly ate your oatmeal.
Yeah.
Huh? The fly got in your oatmeal.
Yeah, he ate it. It was so good. It was so good. He wanted to have it all but for himself.
But wow, you're telling me a fly ate all that?
Fly ate my oatmeal.
Well, how is did it eat your oatmeal? At least he didn't eat. Can you make me hot chocolate? At least he didn't eat your coffee. Jed. I got some sleep, but I missed the sunrise.
Well, you're so close. You stayed up all night.
I stayed up all night, but I was trying to fall asleep. So
You're so close. Well, at least you got some sleep.
Yeah. Dad, I have a dream. Last year, on Father's Day, I literally stayed up all night because I could not sleep. I slept for 4 hours straight in the morning last year on Father's Day, so I couldn't sleep at all. I stayed up all night on Father's Day last year. Hey, Dada.
What?
I have a dream. Jesus protect me from the monster. Bro, you always say that. Well, I love Jesus. You can't just choose your dream. No, I want to choose what. You can't. Or else you don't get it. Jesus? But what?
All right, guys, chill. Chill out.
Can you make me hot chocolate?
Can you make yourself hot chocolate?
No.
Why not? It's just water.
How do you make hot water?
What are you talking about? How do you make hot water? It's multiple methods. You put it in the microwave, you put it on the stove.
No stove. But that didn't make it fire.
Bro, what happened?
It
was just working.
If you do it, I'm dead. Dad, if you put hot chocolate in the
It was just working.
In the oven, I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna tell mom he's gonna whoop your ass.
Why does everybody want to whoop my ass? I don't understand.
Because you always hurt my family.
No, I don't.
Yes, you.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Dad,
Can y'all go upstairs?
if you want me to forgive you fully,
Hold on. Go upstairs.
I just have to talk to you.
I'm live streaming right now. Go upstairs.
Right now?
Yeah.
Huh? Hello, guys.
Go upstairs. You guys go be.
Hello, guys.
Oh, go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Go upstairs. You have to make me hot chocolate and take me to Burlington. Dad, can you take
I don't subscribe to your bribes.
Dad, take me to McDonald's and Burger King.
I'm just gonna send it out anyway. Finish it out. It's just working. It was just working. Am I tripping? I swear it was just working. It was just working. Oh. Did I replace it or something? Or replace it? Or the bad version? Did I even finish this part? Let's see. It's supposed to be join, right? So it wouldn't be exchange that was a problem. It would be join that's the problem. Oh, that's why. That's what's happening. Fuck! I sent the wrong damn link. Oh, fuck! Ugh. God damn it! I sent the wrong link. Oh, I spent all that time and I spent the wrong link. Oh.
Wait for me.
I sent the wrong link. That's why it's not working, because I sent the wrong link. I sent the wrong link. Oh, I sent the wrong link. Oh. Hey. That's what I should be doing. All right, too late. Too late.
I'm getting keto. Stand right.
Oh, simple.
Dad, look. Big bag, sit back. If you see him in the streets, just know he's getting food. Wait, Dad, look.
What?
Wait, there's a poo. And he's a black, and he's sick, and a pee, and he's a poo-poo, pee. I'm a poo-poo, pee.
Okay, it works. It works. I sent the wrong link. Oh man. But at least they can join on Substack. So that's made some sort of progress. Like, why is it not working all of a sudden? It's because I sent the wrong link. I sent the signed in link instead of the sign up link. Oh, okay. Okay. Open Stream Studio. I'll figure this out in Claude. I don't want to figure this out in ChatGPT. Oh boy. Get this on a shot. So I am the host, right? Okay. All right, this is the host account. And then I signed in as a guest account. I signed in as a guest account. Then I don't get no options up here, which is what I want. But then it's not showing that style. It's showing it like the Zoom style, which is what I want. Oh, wow. Okay, this one's that's pretty fast. My video, that's not up for the frames per second. 30 frames per second. I get virtual backgrounds and everything. ChatGPT, just be doing the most. Just be doing the most. Look at you. Give me all this extra stuff that I didn't ask for. I didn't ask for none of it. I didn't ask for none of it. All right. Top view. Oh, okay. All right. So I can at least do this. Okay. Okay. That's me as a guest. And this is me as a host. Green room. Cold open. In segment listener. Okay. How much time do I have? About 25 minutes. I still can't change the mode. Podcast mode. Okay. Yeah, we'll try it like this, and then, if it doesn't work, we'll just go to Google Meet. We should extract this header as a component because it seems like it's getting rewritten every single time, like we update the file, which I don't want because I used to be able to toggle my modes, and now I can't. All right. Can I do that in 25 minutes? Sure, why not? Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. And changes applied to supplied file. The bottom next phase button, such as cold open, is removed for non-host. Okay. Leave the bottom next phase for speakers. Remove options for audience. And then extract header into separate components that goes into slash components dash header .php. Set the folder components. Go here into header PHP. Okay. Then you should be able to do that. And update room.php with updated header with reference to extracted header. Update root.php reference. Okay.
Juice.
Sure. We'll get some juice. You want what? You want Kool-Aid in it? I don't think we have Kool-Aid. You can have juice.
This data, this is Kool-Aid.
Oh.
And
you should pick one. You can't have both. You gotta pick
both.
one. No, you gotta pick one.
This?
All right. Yeah.
I'll put it back.
Automated
Thank
V2
you, guys.
conformance passes, including the 400 simulation MTS run. So MTCS is the AlphaGo implementation that we got going on. So it seems like it's finally integrated in live telemetry. I'm testing the actual browser worker next, not just checking with the game loads, but running Scout 01 strategic search and confirming it supports ACL rather than the flag planner. All right. Oh, I have a lot of credits in this one. Repair. Repair. Oh, shit. No. No. I'm stuck.
Dad, Ray needs 1, 2.
Hmm?
Ray needs 1, 2.
You go get it for her.
But there's no more.
stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. The roll got me out. Okay. Reduced the tension. Now they are cooperating with me. They're not trying to destroy my stuff. Now I can finally make progress on the mission. Boom. Tension is down to 15. Okay. Good. Now I could probably make some progress on my own mission. So hook up a solar panel here, then a water system here. And that will bring me to mission 3, baby. Woo-wee. Ooh-wee. And then install a habitat somewhere. Where do you install habitats? Let's see. You need a direct water works connection within 28 meters. Thought I was within 28 meters of a water supply. This is my water supply, right? Need a direct solar grid connection within 30 meters. All right, what's going on right now? Is this what I should do one more time? All right. Browser connection refresh during the long place. So I'm reconnecting and repeating live chat from the tab. Okay. That's all good. I'll leave you alone. Sorry about that. Okay. Eat the bottom next. Phase for speakers, remove options for audience, extract header into separate component that goes into components header.php, update room.php, update reference, extract the header, boom, do work. Okay. This is the updated room. I'm really cutting it close right now. I'm cutting it close right now. Podcast starts in 12 minutes. You know, editing essential infrastructure. Oh, and 1092. Right. Oh, I'm cutting it super close right now. It's components. We should need a header. PHP. Central infrastructure. Okay. Fingers crossed it still works. So I am logged in as the host. So it's going to show my options. Show my options. The header still works. Cool. If that doesn't work. Okay, you are the guest, so you should not have any options. Okay. Okay. So apparently the guest can record locally, which is fine. That's fine. That's fine. I have no problems with that. Have a little local copy for yourself, as long as it doesn't interrupt the live stream. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Keep it simple. They don't need to know that stuff is up here. Okay. And we get podcast style. Oh shit, what's going on here? Oh shit, what's going on here? No. Okay. Just calm down. It's good that you caught it from now. It's good that you caught it now. I think I removed something essential. Calm down. It's good that you caught it. How much time? 7 minutes before podcast starts. Shit. Still debugging. Come on. Which was this one? Can't say AI Crypto Expo isn't exciting. can't say it's not an exciting event. It's like, will I make it? Will any of this work? Oh no. All right, what is this? What is replace API post? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. You so instead of doing this, I know how to fix it. Just stop being lazy. That's how you fix it. Stop being lazy. Stop being lazy. You already know how to fix it. Stop being lazy. Stop being lazy. Right. That should fix it. Okay. Where am I? Fixed. Stop being lazy. It's because AI can do everything. Doesn't mean it should do everything. I know how to fix it. Just stop being lazy. All right. There we go. It's fixed. All right. Let's go. Okay. There's a Q&A session. Audience should be able to ask questions. They can ask questions in the chat. There are no polls in this meeting yet. Start a poll. Create a poll. That's pretty cool.
Wait! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? What happened, Daddy? Ow.
Live chat works.
Huh? No more pretzels.
Ugh.
No, I want chips. Chips. I want chips. This.
Sounds good. All right. Take this baby for a spin. Take this baby for a spin. Take this baby for a spin. Now 2 minutes. We're going to see if any of this works. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, about 2 minutes. We can see if this works. We're gonna test it live. And the reason we're testing it live is not because I want to. Like Google Meet works just fine, but for the last 2 days, we've been trying to do this, and Substack just is not able to record the voice of the other people, and our guests are giving us really amazing information. Then I go back to pretty annoying as it is. I'm pretty annoying as it is, bro. Like, I don't want to hear myself talk the whole time. Like, the whole point of the speaker series is to hear from our industry experts. It works on mobile. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna try to record this, and it should record in the background while we're live streaming. So if for some reason Substack is not working on this one well, on my implementation, then at least I'll have a local recording of it. So it's the first time we're like using it. You guys pretty much saw me code it for the last 2 hours. So waiting on Panache. Panache said we're good to go. So hey, Panache.
Hi, Dana. I'm trying to join. I think I'm supposed to make an account at Medallion.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah, make an account on Medallion, and then it'll bring you into the room where we can start our podcast.
So it says registration failed when I put in my email address.
Oh, so for that one, it's looking for a live account, but I don't think you've ever created one. So you have to create an account first, and then
yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create. I'm on step 1. I put the name in, and then I got a handle. But then when I put the email address on step 3, it's saying registration failed.
Step 3. This shouldn't be. Let me see. Oh, gotta figure this out live. All right. Let's figure it out. A sec. Okay.
Yeah, my bad. I don't know. I was on a different link. I should have done this.
No. It's all good. It's my fault. I literally. Okay. Let's see. So we go to. Hello. All right, and then you said you put in your email address, and you press agree to terms and privacy policy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. And then it says registration failed. Oh, what's going on here? All right, I'll send you a Google. So on the link on the calendar, there should be a link to Google Meet. So let's so yeah, we could do it on Google Meet.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, sounds good.
So if I join on the Substack, does that work or no?
No. Or can you join on the Substack? I was trying to, but like it was giving me problems all week.
Oh yeah, I think on Substack, no. I think okay, it's fine. Let me do the Google link then.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, sounds good.
I'm on now whenever you're ready.
All right, sounds good. I'll join very shortly.
All right, cool.
All right. I mean, it's expected, right? Let's do Google instead. So close. But now we're gonna have the same problem we've been having all week, where you're not gonna be able to hear her. Oh, so annoying. Damn it. Hey there. Let me share it with the live stream. Let me share our meeting with the live stream. Okay. Live stream. All right. All right. Hey, Panache, how you doing? How you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Thank you for joining us on AI Crypto Expo. I am sharing my camera. I don't know why it's not showing. Are you able to see me? Oh, there you go.
Okay, yeah, now I can see you.
Sounds good.
Although it's very blurry, I don't know if it's my connection or yours.
It's probably the fact that I'm live streaming on YouTube and Substack at the same time. So, how are we gonna do this? I think there's more people on Substack, so I'll share it there. All right, is it better now? Okay, sounds good. All right, welcome to our AI Crypto Expo speaker series. Thank you so much for joining. And yeah, today is the Creator Economy Day, because it seems like, with the advancement of AI and people just being able to build anything that they want, it seems like what's going to really define the future of business is being able to build an audience that trusts you. And it seems like content creators are on top of that. How do you feel about that statement? Very cool. And if I noticed that we just jumped right in. If you don't mind, can you just introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about your background and what mission are you on nowadays? Awesome. So I put you in the creator economy category for this event. Do you think the creator economy industry defines you the most, or because you mentioned work across finance, women's health, and various other verticals? So how what category would you say best defines you as a startup founder, business owner, just influencer? Period. Creator economy, there's frontier AI, there's blockchain, there's governance, speaking with like policymakers and various people of that nature and how they're viewing the current economic landscape and potential disruption that's coming our way. Okay, let's have that talk. Yeah. Sovereign identity. How would you define that? Like, what's yeah? How would you define that? Oh, very interesting. Now, identity is super important because, from my perspective, in the world we're going to, like, I think we're going into this world where you'll be a one man army, right? So you have you guys representing you online, and you want to make sure that these AIs like stay within the boundary of like your defined personality. So you don't want this AI out there like doing things, responding to messages, responding to emails in a way that would not be representative of who you are, right? So I I think just it seems like identity itself is becoming this essential infrastructure to represent who we are and what you know our AIs are able to do on our behalf. How do you respond to that? Zero knowledge proof? No, it certainly does. And you know, Africa itself is known as one of the fastest evolving economies and places to build because where other countries they kind of started off like in different phases. It's like technology just you know proliferated the continent, and you guys start your base was pretty much technology, and then you've been building up from there. Do you agree with that sentiment? And what opportunities do you foresee Africa representing? Hmm. No, I totally get that. So, I guess the core problem that you're solving is inter-border um, or extra-border identity, so that, let's say you're from Zimbabwe, and then you have border countries in South Africa, and I, I'm not super familiar with the geography of Africa, but you have these surrounding countries, right? And your your data pretty much does not cross borders. Like if you go to South Africa, you're a whole new person than who you were in Zimbabwe, because there's no history of what you have done, your profession or your credit score or anything of that nature. So you have to restart every single time, right? And what you are working on, if I could put this into layman's terms, is a way to to pass that information of who your identity is across, I guess, infrastructure that is not built to support that. Is that correct? I don't know if I said it right. Very cool. Now, how popular is cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in Africa? It's unpopular. Hmm. No, absolutely. I definitely think there are a few drawbacks that we have to address with AI, but that's what all technologies like. And I'm not taking away from what you're saying. Like those are super important issues that must be addressed. Um, and as far as identity is concerned, and AI knowing all pretty much everything that about me because of its long history, I, in some ways I think that's beneficial because you don't really want to always remind AI of your context, right? You want it to have a good idea of where you're at so that it can pick up from there instead of telling you, like, always having to, like, download your history over and over again. But that being said, there should be a mechanism that you're able to kind of control, like, let's say, a global identity of who you are, and then you can plug and play into different AIs, um, depending on what your use cases are. Mhm. Mm. No, that makes a lot of sense. So, yeah, I'm a big proponent of local models as well. I'm a proponent of all of it. I'm just a technophile, or I don't even know if that's the right the right word, but I'm super into technology. So I'm a proponent of the centralized AI infrastructure because I think it's undeniable that they are kind of pushing the frontier forward, and then from the research that they're able to do, that disseminates into the other open source models, to the point where Kimi K3 is able to compete with some of the centralized models. So I kind of feel like it's all kind of working together regardless, and I think there will to come a kind of reckoning where the centralized AIs are just as good, or the open source AIs are just as good as the centralized AIs, and now we have, us as consumers, we have the choice to make on whether or not we want to support like a centralized institution or go open or not, right? Which kind of brings like an additional question, like, if there is going to be an inevitable point where centralized AI is on par with open source AI, what would be the point of using a centralized AI, right? It's just a question that I have in mind. Yeah. How would you respond to that? Mm. No, definitely something to think about. And before, like, because we're kind of winding down there, but I don't want to miss something that you said earlier, which is you're addressing some of the problems that women face in the healthcare space. So I do want to spend some time exploring that as well. So what are some of the problems women are facing? Oh wow. So is this based on what's already happening in the market, or is this an innovation that you're pioneering? Hmm. Very cool. And what's the progress you've made so far in this endeavor? Wow.